Bakit?
What's on your face?
Bakit ka na naman nandito?
Pagtanggal ng pores.
What's on your face?
Ano to?
That's my bra. Oh.
Ay, bra pala yan. Ah, may letters. Wow!
Bakit Father's Day daw niya sa'yo? Asan yung bra ko, Maika?
Happy Father's Day. Thank you for
You didn't buy
everything
I wanted
that
to
you
show
done
you
to
mine.
us and Michael. Thank you for all the hard work. I love you. Thank you! Tapos, ano yun nasa Victoria's Secret? Babae. Bra? Mag-bra ako?
Brief mo. Brief.
Bakit Victoria's Secret?
May brief na pang babae, ang lalaki.
Ano ba ito? Totoo to?
Open
Yeah.
it ba?
This is for your mom.
No,
Just open it!
that's
This
yours.
is expensive. I will not accept this.
Just open it ba?
That's yours.
Oh my God. So, I will unbox now?
Just open it ba?
Bakit binibidyo mo pa pala ako?
Delete it.
Ganyan. Oh my God. Sa akin ba to o prank to?
No,
Sa'yo to, di ba?
Just open it.
I was just getting an idea earlier if you really wanted to.
Oh my God.
Because I don't know what to give.
Diba binigyan mo na ako ng polo shirt? Enough na yun. I'm not asking for anything.
I was just getting an idea.
Oh my God. This is ultra to talaga.
Open it.
Oh my God. Oh, ocean blue. Oh my God.
You don't know how to...
Mas magaling ka pa. O, ikaw na mag-ano. Ako na lang ano. Di ako marunong. Apple Watch. Oh.
Open it.
Can you help me to unbox this? Wow, guys. Tingnan nyo naman.
Paano ito, Maika?
May I see this ano man. Hindi, ang ganda ng quality. Oh. Sabi mo ano?
Of course, alam mo, sasabihin namin sa'yo, you would know. Kaya nga, surprise eh.
Oh my God, I can't believe it. Yun na lang sa akin na luma, na ano, na Series 7. Oh my God.
Saan tanggalin ito, Maika?
Kasi nag-unboxing na tayo. Oh.